1, 2, 3, fire!
Yeah!
There it is.
Didn't break. Ready?
1, 2, 3, fire!
Didn't break. Shoot him again.
One more time. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh.
You win.
Very nice.
What's up, guys? It's Mark from Lone Wolf Paintball. We are at the Metamora field for red, white, and blue. I've got David, the Reaper Justin. Nope, no the, just David Reaper Justin. He doesn't like the, so don't put it in the descriptions below. And we're gonna do a Reaper pistol challenge. What is that? Let people know what it is.
All right, so I fly over the world and I do this. It doesn't matter if it's Europe or Canada, Mexico. What we do is we get people together and we do a quick draw game. Win or lose, it doesn't matter. They're still going to win a prize. So the idea is we do one shot, and if we miss or the other person hits me, it doesn't matter what happens. We're all happy and we all win. So we're just going to try it out here.
Who's the winner? Who's gonna win this? Anybody? No, nobody on that side.
Yeah!
I don't use that gun, so I don't know.
So you guys, if you have your own pistol, that's cool. I've got this one too. So whatever you want to do, if you guys want to try out a pistol, if you've never done it, Agent Smith over here. No, who has the 50 caliber?
Oh, he does.
You have 50 caliber? Look at that mother. Look at that guy. Oh.
Why weren't you in the gear bag video? Hiding.
Cool. All right, so we've got all these different ones to try out. So it's a great time if you've never done something like this, you know what I'm saying, to try it out. You guys familiar with this one? Yeah. This is the Walther PPQ, right? And it does blowback. Now it's ready to go, and it's deadly accurate, right? We got this, we've got the TPXs, we've got the 50 cal. We have another guy that has another 50 cal someplace as well.
They're both there.
So basically we're gonna say choose your poison, and they're all ready to go. So I think we're all ready to go. So this would be a great time for you guys to try out pistols you've never done before. All right, let me put.
What do they get if they beat you? Like, are we doing brackets? It's just a one-on-one?
Just one-on-one. They get a card either way. They get a card, and that's it. We just next, and then try it again.
So if you're ever at a field that Reaper shows up to, don't leave. He's got free shit for days. Whether you shoot him, you don't shoot him, just harass him. He'll give you something, and it's good stuff. So.
Also, one more thing. Did you guys ever see the video where I shot Wolf's cell phone?
Yeah.
Please hide your cell phones. Nice.
Or cover your balls at least.
So what we're doing is a basically just 1, 2, 3, and then on fire we both shoot. We keep our gun like this, and we just do a single shot. If we miss, we do it again.
Okay, players ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, fire!
Next, my gun's out.
I don't even think that anything came out of this.
I can't. You saw me shoot it.
I know.
Is that your last shot?
Did you shoot all the paint?
I shot one round.
It was way more exciting in Mexico, just saying.
Yeah, there's paint in it.
Never trust a guy in a skirt.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, players ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, fire!
You hit me.
Nice. Next.
Straight on.
Next player.
Next.
Who are you, real quick?
Hazmat from Venomous Ducks.
Hazmat from Venomous Ducks. And you are?
Kimbo from Soldiers of Chaos.
Kimbo, Soldiers of Chaos. All right.
Hang on a second.
Okay. Okay, players ready? 1, 2, 3, fire! Is your safety off?
See? That's not gonna use a gun. Okay.
Sorry, guys. Okay, players ready? 1, 2, 3, fire!
It's hard. I'm clean.
Do it again.
Players ready? 1, 2, 3, fire!
Leg.
On his leg.
Got him.
Next player.
And you are?
Frank from Florida.
Say that one more time.
Frank from Florida.
Frank from Florida.
Players ready? 1, 2, 3, fire! I saw it bounce.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Do it again.
What do you want to call a bounce?
We can do it if you want to do it again.
I didn't see anything come out.
If it doesn't break, it doesn't count anywhere else.
Pull it back. Try it again.
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
That broke.
In your armpit, yep. Okay.
And you are?
Zach from Mitten Tactical.
Zach from Mitten Tactical.
I thought I had a...
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, fire!
Bounced off my arm.
Okay, do it again.
1, 2, 3, fire!
Did it break?
I saw something.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it broke on your shoulder.
Who's up next?
I'll go.
You are?
Yeah, I'll take a tip-X. I'm Andrew Logomari from Emily City.
Nice. Andrew from Emily City. Just gotta check, make sure Reaper's being honest. See how fresh this is? Nope, that's been there for a minute. All right, backing up.
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Ooh, I heard a nut shot, but did it break?
Hey, there's only room for 2 balls down there.
Players
Are you clean?
ready.
You clean? Yeah, I didn't get hit. All right.
1, 2, 3, fire!
Went through his legs.
You guys suck, come on.
Little high.
1, 2, 3, fire!
Yeah.
Who's hit?
Yeah.
You are?
Havoc from Team Vindex.
Havoc from Team Spendeck?
Vindex.
Vindec?
V-I-N-D-E-X.
So I said Vindec.
Yeah.
Just because you can't hear doesn't mean I'm not saying it right.
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Look clear?
Are we clear?
They look clean, yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh. Didn't break though.
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
No break?
No break.
Break. Okay. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh, that was empty.
Okay, you ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, fire! Are you missing each other?
I didn't see any hits.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Hang on.
1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh, I heard the balls. There it is.
Yeah. The JFK bullet went right around and up underneath. Here you go. Thank you. Who's next?
Carving your bullets, huh?
Time to go.
Who else wanted to try it out?
Oh, there you go. Should have a couple more in there.
After waiting that thing, man.
Okay, players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh!
Gotcha. Next shot.
Wait, so who are you anyway? You ran out there.
Huh?
Who are you?
Lynn from South Bend.
Lynn from South Bend. Lynn!
Do it again.
One more time for Lynn!
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Nothing happened.
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
I heard the hit. Yeah, there it is. It's
Nice
broken.
shot.
Wow, she was fast.
Good job, Lynn from Milford.
South Bend.
South Bend. Close enough.
Are you using your HDR?
Yeah, I'm gonna use this.
All right, let's see it. I want to see. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, thank you.
Different type of tool. What do we got going here?
You can't have more padding than he has.
Oh, really?
Ready?
Are you ready, Princess? Okay. Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Hold still.
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
I felt something down here.
Yeah, no break.
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh! Didn't.
Okay. Hey, did you keep the receipt from Toys R Us?
Hey, man. Thank you for the squeegee.
There it is.
Oh, okay.
Who's next? We got a
Good
revolver.
work,
Who are you?
Michael's, Southfield.
Michael's from Southfield.
May I?
What are you using? Oh, hey, watch this. Kommen Sie her, Fräulein. Kommen Sie her. Handy hook, nicht schießen. Nicht schießen.
Yeah, don't mind me. I'm only videoing this. Move wherever the f you want. I don't care.
No.
Players
Roston. Okay, ready?
ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
What's wrong? You can't
Did you
shoot?
even shoot?
Whoa.
Yeah.
You want it back?
That bruise for a while, Bucko.
I can throw farther than that.
With another one?
Yeah, that's gotta stink.
Dude, you got to get in line with the other Toys R Us guy.
This one is probably older than you are.
I like that.
Okay, no more trash
Over
talk.
half.
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Okay, here.
No, hang on a second.
Hold on.
No,
yeah, there you go.
I can just get closer if you need me to. Hey,
Maybe if you use that trick from Wanted
Hang on a
and
second.
swing it.
when does the bang come out? You know that piece of paper? It says bang. Fire makes it work. Fire makes
Reaper making friends everywhere he goes.
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh.
No break.
No break?
Right?
One more
like to aim down there.
time.
Yeah, I'm trying to hit your Vienna sausage.
Close.
Okay, ready?
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
I heard the bin.
Wait, listen, ladies and gentlemen. 2 weeks ago, Marcus became an American citizen. He missed the sense of humor class, though.
I'm Austrian. What do you want? Germans are even worse.
Ah,
Okay. Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh, got him in the belly.
I got here too.
Yeah, I can see it.
Good job, brother. Good job.
And you are?
Sean from Boston.
Sean from Boston.
There you go, Sean.
Okay. Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire! One more time.
I like it, James Bond.
1, 2, 3, fire!
I felt it.
Yeah, no break though.
1, 2, 3, fire!
I felt it.
I heard that.
No break.
No break.
Break.
I think he might have one more shot, but I can check.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. You're good.
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire! 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh, that broke.
There's no real Savannah on that, whether that one goes.
All across the face.
Thank you.
All right, you're up, Adam.
Stand here, right? I want you to pull the gun up. And put your other hand there too. Like that. Pull it up. And just aim it right like that. Okay? Just like that. Okay?
Players
The
ready.
gun down.
1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh, give him a faulty marker. Shame on you. And don't stop shooting him till he cries.
One shot. Ready?
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Yeah.
There it is.
Didn't break. Ready?
1, 2, 3, fire!
Didn't break. Shoot him again.
One more time. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh,
You win.
Very nice.
Good now. Good job. I think we're going to let him shoot his dad?
Yeah.
All right.
Dad, you want a one-on-one?
What did that? I want to see this. Hey, for everything he said, so just your one chance.
This is for every go to your room without dessert.
Okay. Players ready.
No sucking in.
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
That's messed up. You should just say it.
Yeah, shoot him again.
1, 2, 3, fire! Oh.
Such a bad. Come on, Adam.
1, 2, 3, fire! Fire!
Hope you're on it.
We're shooting paintballs. They keep coming out.
I missed lunch for this.
Don't, wait. Okay.
1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh, that broke. Got him.
That one's fouled. Here you go, buddy. Thank you.
You are?
Trey from West Virginia.
Trey from West Virginia.
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire! Good. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Got him.
Yeah. Players ready. Okay, players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire! Again. 1, 2, 3, fire!
That broke.
Gotcha.
And you are?
Ryan from Erie, Michigan.
Ryan from Erie, Michigan. Next
job,
up. You are?
Caden from Benton, Michigan.
Caden from Benton?
Benton.
Benton, Michigan.
Okay.
Caden from Benton, Michigan.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh,
Nice.
gotcha. Nice job. And you are?
Murray, using the Tip-X.
Murray's got the Tip-X. He's a local guy.
Yeah, local man.
Low Wolf Lennox.
Players ready. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh, I seen a
Superman.
bouncing.
Nice
Superman.
bounce.
Bouncing a bounce.
Again. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Nothing,
Superman.
nothing.
1, 2, 3, fire!
I got the fingers.
You got hit. Didn't break.
1, 2, 3, fire!
Gotta wear a cup to a quick draw. That's rule number 1.
I didn't wear mine.
Anybody else can get a shot? You're up. You're up. One of you.
Can I borrow that?
And you are?
I'm Brant Beck from Metamora, Michigan.
Brent from Metamora, Michigan. He probably walked here or rode his cow.
I rock.
Players ready? 1, 2, 3, fire! Again! 1, 2, 3, fire! Again! 1, 2.
Oh!
You got air? I got your 12 grams now.
You want a hopper?
Need a
We'd be done now if you guys shot hoppers.
No need to.
Again! 1, 2, 3, fire! Gotcha. Very nice.
Good
I'm
job.
like, I can feel the sunburn forming.
Yeah.
I'm like, this won't take long.
I'm
I
not
can
sure.
put a hat on.
Check and see if you have one left there.
And you are?
Tyler from
Oh, okay.
Metamora, Michigan.
Tyler from Metamora.
You only have one shot left in there.
Okay, players ready? 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh, it broke on the barrel.
Finger.
Or hand. Yeah. Yeah, it broke.
Very nice, Reaper.
That's it. Everybody get a shot?
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, that's it for the Reaper Challenge, Pistol Challenge. Thanks so much for the Reaper for coming out. If he comes to your field, does this kind of thing, it's awesome. You win a prize, whether you win, lose, draw, it doesn't matter. It's all about getting people used to using something they haven't shot before. So if you've never used a pistol, you never played before, we had some kids out here. It's freaking awesome. He's a great ambassador of the sport. Can't say enough about this guy. But where can they find you?
You can go to shootyousoon.com or you can just type in David Reaper Justin and you'll find me.
David Reaper Justin. He hates when I say the, makes him nuts. But then go to lonewolfpaintball.com, check out the merch. We got some of the greatest merch in the game. And then go to the Jerky Den. The Jerky Den. We like the does.com. Get some of the best protein, keeps you full during these scenarios, during this fun stuff. Get out there, play some paintball. And what are they going to do next?
Shoot you soon.
Yeah.